everybody, so today I'm going to do another unboxing. I'm going to do it on my YouTube this time. The rest of my nail supplies are back from episode 2, I believe, of learning how to do nails. Let's just see everything that I got. This video should kind of be a little short. Oh my gosh, this is tiny as heck. I thought it was going to be bigger, but the bag is already open for some reason. It's a humidifier. I got it because my nose tends to stop up a lot whenever I'm sleeping. On my side as well is whenever it happens a lot. But I'm gonna open this up. It said it was a mini humidifier. I didn't know it was gonna be this mini. So, especially whenever you look at all the reviews, you'll see like the pictures. I guess they put the pictures in zoom, but this is what it looks like. And I have 2 more things in here. This is my little container that goes with my monomer and my acrylic powder. I guess it's pretty compact, but I won't need that much, I guess. Let's open this last package. I don't think I even remember the last thing I got. Oh, okay, yeah, I got a mini fan. It's gonna be summer, so it's gonna get like really hot outside. It comes with a USB, so that's good. Does this work yet? Yeah, I have to charge it for it to work. But it's cute. Just hope it works. So it's got 2 buttons. Oop, wrong side. So it's got 2 buttons. This is the on button, and then this is the spray button. This is what the fan looks like. So it is very tiny. So that's what I needed. This is where the water goes in. But yeah, it's like really cute. And then this is cute too. I'm gonna try it out, but if I do not like this, it's gonna have to go back. And then I'll definitely use this because I'm finna start practicing on my nails. I'm gonna start practicing on this paper that I showed you guys from my reel. So I finally figured out how to work the humidifier. It's basically, you just open it like this, and then it comes with the instructions, comes with the USB-C. Well, this isn't even a USB-C, this is an Android charger, USB something. And then, yeah, I'm not really sure how to work this yet, but I'll look at it later. I guess the water goes in this part, unless you, yeah, I don't want to break it. So the water will go in here. And this is how deep it is. Like 2 inches. And then you close it up. Put it upside down. I will put it this way. Click the button. And then it starts coming out of, it says H2O. So I'm gonna try this and see how I like it. Anyways, that was just a mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.